What the hell are you getting up to?
Making muffins! Because why not make some muffins on the boat? We've got a big sweet tooth here, so yeah, I'm gonna make some vegan white chocolate raspberry muffins.
Ooh, damn.
And we're gonna bake it in the barbecue. So I'm not really sure how this is gonna go because I don't exactly have the right ingredients. I'm using like a bread flour. Should be a normal flour. It's supposed to have sunflower oil, but I'm gonna use coconut oil. It's supposed to have soy milk, but gonna use almond coconut. It's supposed to have white sugar, but gonna use regular sugar. But the real thing that I'm not really sure how it's gonna go is we don't have an actual muffin tray. So we're gonna put the muffins in here, and I got these little muffin wraps. So they might be exploded muffins.
I like it.
They're
Exploded
gonna be delicious.
muffins.
Yes, exploded boat muffins. Anyways. Let's start.
Hey guys, welcome to Once Upon a Reef channel. We're Ryan and Poppy, a couple of adventure junkie sailors out to explore the most amazing reefs and islands in the world.
We hope by documenting everything this lifestyle encompasses that we will inspire, raise awareness, and support ongoing research to do our part in protecting these natural life systems. Subscribe if you're on board and come sail away with Skateaway.
I have got 2 cups of flour, bread flour, a teaspoon of salt. I don't really have measuring stuff, so that's a teaspoon, right? I have coconut sugar, half a cup, 2.5 of these. 1, 2. Does that look like a fork?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's gonna make it pop. No? Pop and explode.
Make a puppy muffin must pop, right?
So I like to mix my dry ingredients separate from my wet ingredients. I'm talking like I'm an actual chef, but this could go very wrong. But we've got a beautiful setting here in Fraser, that's what matters.
Yeah. At Awinya?
Awinya, yeah. A cup of this. Then you put apple cider vinegar. A teaspoon of vanilla extract. 3/4 cup. This is a half. So, oh shoot, I'm supposed to have it. I think that's enough. Oh no. And then we gotta mix this in.
It really exploded.
Yep. My idea here is to try to make cups out of the foil. I'm thinking that'll work. You have a crazy sweet tooth? This is what it happens when you really crave sweet. Yeah, that's like with raspberries?
Raspberries?
Load it with raspberries.
I love raspberries.
You love raspberries? And there you have it. This is the before. And the after is going to look more beautiful and be so delicious. It actually looks really cute.
Yeah.
It's totally going to work. Okay. And then for our oven, we're going to use a barbecue. So these are barbecued muffins.
Yeah.
We set it to 190. I just put it here.
Yep, in the middle, maybe. Yep. Perfect.
And now we wait.
What are you doing up there?
I'm trying to get phone service. I only have 3G. I think I have to go higher. But I'm scared of heights. I just really want to check my messages.
You look like a koala bear.
Huh?
You look like a koala bear.
Do I look scared? If I go that much higher, will I get service?
Yeah, go to the spreaders.
To the spreaders.
Yeah.
It's a lot of wind! Oh my gosh. I'm not going up there.
Yeah.
No. I'll get 4G here. I'm watching the dial because it's been like an hour supposed to only take 20 minutes, but it's a bit difficult when you're cooking in a barbecue.
I've never seen someone give so much attention to muffins. The moment of truth.
Voila! They're actually not exploded. And
They're good.
They're also not fully cooked. But
you've been out here for
yeah,
what, 2 hours.
We're gonna waste our gas, so this is our muffins. White chocolate raspberry. Actually held really well in these things.
Yeah, they work well.
See how they look.
If you don't have a muffin tray, you don't have room to store it on your boat.
They look a bit interesting. They're like squishy. Should I try it?
Yep.
Oh, it looks good on the inside.
Yeah, it looks real good.
Spongy. That's pretty good for a baked barbecue muffin. So a bit spongy.
It's good?
But it's good. It's tasty.
Get better after they sit for a bit, eh?
Yeah. No, I'm pretty happy with that. I didn't really, honestly, I didn't actually think it was going to work.
Hey, welcome back.
And guess where we are?
At Awinya.
Back in Fraser Island.
Where it all began.
Yeah.
Almost.
Back on the first catamaran I ever sailed on.
Yeah.
Look at the spread. Yes.
Oh, yeah, welcome back, Poppy.
Thanks.
Welcome back. And welcome on board, Ryan.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, bro.
From one cat to the next.
Yeah. Okay. Poppy, what should we play?
Me? Why?
Cause
I don't know. I wanted to solo.
you want to. Oh, you want to solo?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So you broke the
But
last
quietly, so you don't hear me.
So you should sit closest to the camera.
Maybe we should switch. I mean, I can set a beat if you want.
What chords should we play?
Okay, A minor, G, or A minor, C, G.
Down, boy.
Get down. I don't know what it was. I was just like seeing this big thing coming at me.
It's a shark. Way to end the song, pal. Jesus. This is either a bit where you have to walk it or wedge yourself underneath this tree. upset.
That's really nice.
I'm so miserable.